Hello, and welcome back everyone. Today we have something special. We have a custom cake for a family friend of mine's birthday. She had two requests for this cake. Number one, it had to be a Victorian sponge cake, and number two, it had to be Hawaiian themed. Two things I couldn't imagine being more different. So let's jump straight into it with our butter and our sugar. Followed closely with our eggs, adding one at a time. Next, we add our flour and our baking powder. Then our milk and vanilla. Mix that all together and add it to our cake tins. Bake at 180 degrees for 20 minutes, or if you prick your cake with a skewer or a knife, it comes out clean. Keeping on theme, I thought I'd candy some limes for decorating, and as you can see, some got a little too hot. By adding sugar to your thinly sliced limes, then add it to a hot oven for 10 minutes, you should get a lovely caramelized lime garnish. From here, we can focus on our filling. Sticking with traditional Victorian sponge, I've kept the cream, adding sugar, and someone told me that cream of tartar was a good stabilizer, so I thought I'd try it out. Once whipped, it was ready to pipe. Now, instead of strawberry jam, I opted for pineapple instead. Now, I didn't show this, but I just used a can of pineapple chunks with the juice and equal parts sugar and let that simmer on the stove until it formed a lovely syrupy pineapple filling. Repeat this process of cream and pineapple until you get to the last layer. Once at the top, I decided that the cake needed more height, so I piped multiple teardrops using different piping tips in the center of the cake. Next we have our decor. Here I have some dried pineapple pieces I found at Kohl's, as well as some dried coconut flakes. Then we have our lovely lime pieces, and just kind of organize these into a semi-random yet structured manner. I then drizzled some of that syrup without the chunks on top because why not? Followed then by some icing sugar. And ta-da! We have a Victorian sponge cake with a Hawaiian twist. And yes, she absolutely loved this cake. And happy birthday, Celia. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe and leave a thumbs up or a comment. And I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you.